Good morning, students. Today, our topic is origami. In origami, we are going to learn this parrot. To make this parrot, we require one green color origami paper. Origami paper means it must be like one side white, one side green. If you don't have origami papers, even you can use normal color papers also. Okay. To make this origami, we need square shape green color origami paper. Square shape green color origami paper. These papers will be available in your craft books. If you don't have these green color origami papers in your craft book, you take one A4 size color paper, and this color paper exactly you fold in the middle. In the middle exactly you have to fold. By folding it, you'll get one rectangular shape. You have to fold in like horizontal way, like this. You must arrange the paper in horizontal and fold exactly half like this. Then you'll get one rectangular shape. After, at this fold, you rub once and twice or like this at the edges. After, open it back at this line. Exactly, if you cut this way, your holding must be like this to cut. Your holding must be like this to cut. Even you can use one scale and you can place over here and you can try perfect cutting like this. Now in these two pieces, one rectangular paper I am taking. This rectangular paper I am going to fold here to here like this. Means you have to place your index finger at this corner. Arrange the paper first in rectangular way, like vertical way, and place your finger at this corner point, and other side hold the paper, and this edge must reach to this edge. This edge must reach to this edge like this. The folding must be perfect like this. See, and fold exactly you have to join this. And here also the fold must be sharp and perfect fold you have to do this way, like this. This way you have to fold. It shouldn't be like this kind of fold, or it shouldn't be like this kind of fold. It must be straight and perfect fold. After folding this extra piece of paper exactly at this mark, just fold it back like this till the mark. Back side you fold exactly till the mark. Don't fold like this. Okay, don't fold on the mark like this. You fold it back exactly like this. Then if you fold it back, then you can you'll get perfect folding. You'll get this perfect folding if you fold it back. After folding it back, rub again here and cut on the line using with the help of scale or with the hands like this, slowly. Okay, after cutting it, keep it like corner. It must be like this angle. It shouldn't be like straight. It should be corner equals, like straight on the line. Whatever the line we have, this middle line, that side only you have to align the paper like this. Okay, here from this edge point, this corner point, we are leaving this and we holding these both the sides, these both the sides only we are folding. Where? Till this middle point. This side fold. Exactly, we have one line over here. We have to fold this on the line exactly. It shouldn't cross the line, and it shouldn't back from the line. It should not cross and it should not go back from the line. It should be exactly on the line like this. The full paper from here to here, you have to fold exactly on the line like this. After folding it, the same method you follow even other side also, like this way. Fold like this, and this extra portion, this extra part of the paper, you fold it back side, exact straight on this edges, at the edges, straight. It must be straight at the edge like this. It shouldn't be like this kind of fold. It is wrong fold. Exactly straight to this green part. Fold this way. After folding it, again this alignment must be this way, like cone shape. After these two corner points, one corner point I hold it, and again we have a line over here. This corner point I am folding on this line exactly like this. This is the back portion. The white, whatever the white portion is there, that is appearing here, and other sides looking like green color. Okay, this way long portion of the green paper we have, and both the sides, this side how you fold it, this side also you fold same way. After folding both the sides properly, if you open and see, you'll find a mark, one line here, one line here. That line again, if you open next fold like this, you'll find this side, that line. On this line you fold this paper like this. On the line, fold this paper like this and join it on this line, not on this line. Once again I'm showing. After folding like this, we have to open it back and open it back. Then you'll find the line here and here. Don't fold this part, only fold this part, means this piece of paper, this side of paper, both the sides you join together till here, till here. After you lift the paper like this. Okay, do other side also same. If you open, you will get marking like this and like this, but you have to fold till here, this way. This way till this point on, like this. These things, if you have to fold here, these things you have to fold like this. We got like this, we got these two things, we have to fold it down like this. If you flip and see, you will feel like fish kind of shape here. Okay, so like a fish kind of shape. Okay, and this side, this part of the paper, this part of the paper is joined together like this, joined together like this. Now if you turn and see, almost our bird is going to ready. Now here we have one side one leg, other side one other leg, two legs we have. Whatever the folds we did, those folds only here outside it is appearing. This one you fold like this, just this corner fold, this corner point, one paper you hold and like this front side. Even flip the paper, do this side also same, front side. These two things looks like legs of the bird. Okay, like this. After this front portion we have to make beak. How to make beak? Now I tell you. First you fold this way at the edge, just like this, at the edge like this. After folding you'll get the one slant line, one marking line. That marking line you fold inside like this, exactly in that particular place, like whatever the slanting line you did here, the same slant line open it back and fold inside. From fold and press inside like this, then it will become like a beak shape. Now take a red color, oil pastel or any red color sketch also you can use. This full slant portion from here, from this corner point to, from this corner point to here, you fill the red color. Sketch or oil pastel, anything you can use. Fill red color, and here in the middle of this white portion draw an eye like this and put another small dot in the middle like eyeball. Now your parrot is ready. Just in final touch, here from here to here draw a shape of wing using curve shape like this. In this another slant curve like this. On this just put feathers with the pencil like this. Now your bird is ready, the beautiful parrot, with the help of origami techniques. Create some types of birds and paper rolls you prepare to make some branches. On those branches arrange these birds and arrange as decorative item. Okay children, all the best and we'll meet again.